Welcome to MindBend Universe, where we explore the weird, the wonderful, and the mind-bending. Today, we're talking about time travel. Time travel is a fascinating concept, but it also raises a lot of paradoxes. These paradoxes are logical inconsistencies that arise when we try to imagine what would happen if we could travel back in time. One of the most famous time travel paradoxes is the grandfather paradox. This paradox asks what would happen if you went back in time and killed your grandfather before he ever met your grandmother. If you killed your grandfather, then you would never have been born, so you couldn't have gone back in time to kill your grandfather. This paradox is a classic example of how time travel can lead to logical inconsistencies. If you kill your grandfather, then you create a paradox, because you can't both be alive and not alive at the same time. Another famous time travel paradox is the Bootstrap paradox. This paradox occurs when an object or piece of information is sent back in time, where it then becomes the origin of itself. For example, imagine that you go back in time and give yourself a book that you wrote in the future. Then, you use the book to write the book in the first place. This creates a loop that is impossible to break. The Bootstrap paradox is a bit more complicated than the grandfather paradox, but it's still a logical inconsistency. If you give yourself a book that you wrote in the future, then you're creating a loop that can't be explained. These are just two of the many time travel paradoxes that have been proposed. These paradoxes show that time travel is a very complex concept, and it's not clear if it's even possible. There are many different theories about how time travel might work. Some theories suggest that time travel is only possible through wormholes, which are tunnels that connect different points in space-time. Other theories suggest that time travel is possible through the use of time machines, which are devices that allow people to travel through time. However, there is no scientific evidence to support any of these theories. Time travel is still a purely hypothetical concept, and it's not clear if it will ever be possible. Even if time travel is possible, it's not clear what the implications would be. Would time travel be used for good or for evil? Would it lead to the creation of paradoxes? These are all questions that we can't answer yet. So, what do you think? Is time travel possible? Do you think these paradoxes are real? Let us know in the comments below. Here are some additional theories about time travel. The Novikov self-consistency principle. This theory states that time travel is possible, but it is only possible in a way that does not create paradoxes. For example, if you go back in time and kill your grandfather, the Novikov principle would ensure that you never actually killed him, because that would create a paradox. The many worlds interpretation. This theory states that there are an infinite number of universes, and when you travel back in time, you simply end up in a different universe. This means that there is no such thing as a grandfather paradox, because in the universe where you killed your grandfather, he never actually existed. These are just a few of the many theories about time travel. It's a fascinating topic, and there is still much that we don't know about it. I hope you enjoyed this video on time travel paradoxes. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MindBend Universe for more mind-bending content. Thanks for watching.